Okay, today we're going to learn about C versus K. When do we use a C to spell things and when do we use a K to spell things? Again, these rules are not 100% right, but for the most part we can follow these rules and get a pretty good idea of how to spell words. So in single syllable or short vowel sound words, we can use the C versus K rules. So here's a short story to help you remember. I have a cat, and this cat likes to sleep on a cot. Unfortunately, he also likes to cut his whiskers. This cat likes to fly a kite, and his name is Ken. So, to help you remember when to use a letter C, I have drawn this cat face, and his eyes are A's, his nose is a letter O, and his mouth is a U. So we always use the letter C if the second sound is A, ah, or We would then use a letter K if the vowel sound is an I or an I or an for E. So hopefully this helps you remember when to use a C or a K for the K sound. Let's try it in practice. Good luck.